cars, you want to make sure they're stylish, comfortable, but also UV protected. And they're doing all of that right here at Fresh Detail LV, hanging out with owner James. Now this car, tinted front to back, and it's something that you guys really pride yourself on doing, right?
Yes, we do pride ourselves in window tint, specifically the ceramic, because it blocks so much of the heat. And in Vegas, it can get up to 115 degrees. And having tint like this is gonna allow you to cool the car down a lot faster using less AC.
We mentioned this one being tinted front to back. I assume that takes a little bit of time, but how long does it really take to tint a car?
Typically a car like this would take about 2 to 3 hours. Larger vehicles can be anywhere from 3 to 4, depending on the size of the window and the amount of windows that it has.
Now, I think the fun thing about you guys is you really started out as just car washing, which takes you back to your bread and butter, car washing, interior detailing, exterior detailing. But what really goes into an interior detail?
So much goes into an interior detail, and it always depends on the condition of the car before we get our hands on it. But with us, we have a system in place to tackle everything. So we start from our headliner and work our way down. We push all the debris down to the floor, and vacuum's usually the last thing we do. We tackle certain stains with certain chemicals. You have fabrics and leathers that need specific chemicals to treat where it doesn't damage the vehicle. So there's a lot that goes into detailing the interior.
Now, when you go back to do a detail in a car, does it ever take you back to like, this is really why I started all of this?
Yeah, it does, especially when you see the before and after. You take a car that's kids have thrown milk everywhere, spit everywhere, candy everywhere, and then you bring it back to almost like new. It's very fulfilling.
And as a mom who loves cars and has a kid, I can only imagine the feeling of getting a brand new car, basically, once you're done with it. Now, if someone wants to make an appointment with you, how do they do that?
You can give us a call at 702-624-7266 or schedule us online at FreshDetailLV.com.
Fresh Detail LV, doing it all, top to bottom, inside out when it comes to a car. So go ahead and give them a call today.
Thanks for watching this segment from 5 Drive TV. For more automotive entertainment, be sure to download the 5 Drive TV app from Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.